For the first time, we are having an eye clinic here. And for sure, that will not go just like that. We are going to ensure sustainability of this program. You will be here for 1 year, but you've promised us that if we do good, if we do well, then you shall extend your services. So I urge our community to give maximum support to our team who are here to support us, so that this eye clinic won't be closed. There should be a sustainability. And to ensure that as a county, we are going to ensure that all your requests will be taken care of in matters transport.
Tula people will not have eye diseases, isn't it? If we all play our part. Yes, watu hawatakuwa naenda Maua, watu hawataenda wapi kwingine watu walikuwa naenda? Isiolo. Hii itakuwa state of the art eye clinic.